Okay, so a lot of creators are getting demonetized lately, and this is happening to many channels that are already monetized. So I'm going to address why this happens and how to prevent it. The first reason is AI content. A lot of people are using AI, and YouTube has detected the same audio, same video, same style, or the same type of storyline presented in different AI animations. YouTube is getting flooded with AI slop, so they've decided to demonetize almost every AI YouTube channel that doesn't provide new information or uses already existing stories. And even if you don't reuse stories or information, just because you use an AI voice or AI video, your channel may get demonetized, or you may not be able to monetize it soon. So first, try to use less AI video and voice. If you do use a voice, try to make it different. Use filters and effects so it becomes specific to your channel. If you use AI videos, try to add text overlays, human faces, or anything that isn't AI in between or within the video. This is the only way to protect yourself from that. The second reason is repetitive content. This is mostly a shorts problem. Even if you use repetitive content in long-form videos, YouTube doesn't crack down as hard. But still try to avoid repetitive thumbnails, titles, and videos. In the case of shorts, if you use a fixed image that appears in every video, YouTube may flag it as inauthentic or repetitive content. So avoid fixed images like these, and avoid using the same intros or outros in your shorts. The third reason is bulk or mass-produced content. Content that's easy to produce can get flagged, and if you upload too many shorts in a short period of time, YouTube can flag your channel as inauthentic. Try to upload shorts with at least a 15-hour gap between them. I've already tested this on another channel of mine. So that covers all the problems and all the solutions. Please consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. Goodbye.